we're already here in highway. By the way, she lives in Banilad and we live in Bagakay, so it's not really far. Sometimes it's goes traffic going there because they fixed the road. She said she's gonna she said he wants to talk. She said there's the ano guys, they fixed the road over here, that's why it's goes traffic. Yeah, so she said she's gonna prepare food for us. She's gonna cook buffalo wings. So let's see if she's
What?
huh?
Good.
Yeah, let's see if it stays good or yeah. And she said she's gonna cook also banana Q. Banana Q is really good, guys. So now we're in the highway. We're in Barangay Banilad. Look like you're sleepy, Mr. Maurice.
He's not.
He's not.
He slept a lot.
They're fixing the road here.
There's a white stripe in the road.
Oh, fix the white.
Yeah, they're putting it in there.
Oh my God! Look at this. Why he stopped? Maybe he's a new driver, babe. This guy. Or that van is on. Yeah. So here's another Saga Motors. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there to their place. They're also renting. Same with us. Yeah. So we're gonna visit her so kids can play. Watch out for this one. Oh my God. Look at this guy, babe.
They lost their last year's Easter egg.
Huh? He lost his egg.
No. You don't understand the reference.
No, the guy did not see you.
Need to get out of the road. He knows better.
Very hard to get into trucks.
Well, it's because there's so many people walking down the street.
Yeah, so a bit
Walking down
scary.
the street.
It's not good to learn how to drive over here. I guess you can turn first, my love. I can look for you. Yeah. So we arrived here, guys. This is where we stay. So let's go. This is the place. Close, Austin. Close. Close the gate. Hello. Get inside. Look like they still sleep, baby.
Still in bed.
Karong alas 3. Isya. Nyain ko og maboard ko si muli mi dayon. Siya okay, okay. So guys, we're here at my friend's place. Yeah. So I'll tour you all around later. So wow, look at this kids toy. Yeah. Play with Dylan, Austin.
Hello, Dylan. Good morning.
Nino.
Ni Dylan. Inyo nga dagoy?
Dylan?
Ro, inyo nga dagoy sa nila. What tayo?
Wow, you just...
Mama, this is Mama.
Oh, Mama.
Asa mo ba? Asa mo? Dylan ato.
Wow.
Ibalik na lang dito, Nino. Kanina,
Gilid.
Ha? Ano na lang sa inyo ka muna side para yung pa yung isa nila gabi anak si Jana ay sexy mo kike ka ate.
Oh, di ka. Yung baha, ganun.
It's a ice cream.
Ganahan di ka. Ay, doon ginapangal. See? Ulan dahil.
Sige, bitaw. Wala pa gani ko kalabat dito kay ano?
O may makakailangan kay dryer.
Na.
Mama.
Yeah, you happy?
I'm birthday.
Oh, I know. You look good in your hair. See, she
That's
got
not
mama.
that's your tita. That's not your mama. Your mama.
No? Huh? Yay! Look at these kids. Go to the slide. Go slide. Oh yeah. Not yoy. Hey, Dylan. Not like that. Si Dylan lang, Austin. Si Dylan lang, dali gunitis siya para mag-slide siya. Kami. Kay pagidato na mo among ball. Daghan kayo katong nasa ano, tas ipasuod lang diri para inig-slide nila, diretso sila sa may katong swimming pool nga gamay. Go slide. Ken, go slide over there. Okay, Alice, yeah, go. Yeah, dili. Go. Lo. Oh shit, careful, Ken, you're gonna hurt yourself. Ma-hurt man siya nang inyong slide ay kay murag gamay ra.
Oo, gani.
Okay,
Buya-buya na gaya sila.
go.
Yung dili na komportable dai.
Okay, go. Go.
Yay!
1, 2, 3.
Uli mo sa magaling kayo na.
Oh.
Gamay ka na bitin. Go.
Ten. Can you sit down, Austin? Sit down over there.
Sigang dira din.
Wow! Look at that. Say hi. Hello. Go. Slowly, please. Yay! Slowly. Wow, that's so fast. How about you want to go? Careful ha, kay you gonna broke the ano. Sige na, kay kadako ka. Yeah. Ali, move, baby. Go, yes. Eh, naka you gonna break ko. You're so big. Careful. Alis, kuya. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, nasangit. He likes like, oh. So guys, she's the one cooking for this afternoon. Yeah. So what you gonna cook? What you gonna make this afternoon? Like buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings.
Yes, it's buffalo wings. You said you don't know how to cook.
Murag ko ano dagay day? Murag 50-50.
50-50?
50-50.
50 tasty, 50 not. Serve me good. Kasi boss.
Bossing ni mo.
Ha?
Ang atong amo.
Ang atong amo.
Ang atong amo din natin na pagkamulo ang amo. Hindi kayo lugit na. Hi. Ano eh? We're gonna put some chili powder for our chicken
Buffalo wings.
Tigatay.
So we're gonna add this guys to chicken buffalo wings. Okay. So we're gonna add salt. Oh, easy with your salt. Okay. Guys, is like expert in cooking, guys. And what's next? We're gonna mix it. Easy with salt, huh? Easy, instead of yummy, it's not yummy anymore. It's salty. Guys, this is her codigo, guys. So she needs to watch first
Okay,
about
garlic
cooking and then garlic.
Go, what it up?
Beep, beep, hold. She's scared. So scared. So that's enough. That's enough.
Mama, baby.
Okay, so next pot, guys, is ground pepper. And the next is, that's enough now. That's enough.
Oh?
You don't need to put a lot.
Okay. Gamay ra gani di ay no. Okay. And garlic.
Ano nga? And then garlic.
Gani garlic. Ano na yun?
Yeah. Wow, the garlic is really good. They having fun. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. Okay, we're gonna add chili powder. Okay. Okay, next guys is flour. We add a little bit of flour so we can fry it after. It's enough. Guys, it's gonna fry. At least you have a new version of cooking, you know.
Kakuan ni day. Na ko ana po ni na.
Ay sad nagkanduga kay mo pilit og dili pa siya fried yun. 1, 2, 3. 3, go. Wow. Tell Daddy by you like this. You like it. He likes to slide. He likes to slide. Hold please. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wow. Careful, you're gonna hurt your toes. Careful, Dylan. Oh my God. Same again, guys, of what we did earlier. So we need to finish this frying so we can move on to the next level. Yeah. Yay! Go, Ken. Go. Wow. Careful. Hold good, Dylan, please. Wow! Dako nakadilaw na kay Angay. Nagsing-sing. Why are you sad? Because you're bad. To add some butter, guys.
Butter.
Please, careful. Sikira ka ako rin i-edit. And then after, chili sauce is next, guys. How? Chili sauce?
Chili.
We're just kind of silly.
Sauce. We don't have tomato sauce, so we're gonna add tomato paste instead.
Okay. Okay, that's enough, I guess. I mean, you know, okay na siguro na siya. And the next dish is this. More. Ihurot to siya nga. And then sugar next, right? Easy in your talking. More pa. More. One more. We need to add sugar. Oh yeah, that's enough. And then after we need to put this chicken to
Yay!
okay. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Ito ganahan sa yung pang-aho gamay kaayo. Siya pang bata. And wow, look at this, guys. And then I put after. It's fine. Also, we don't have the what called is that? Sesame. Sesame seeds, so it's fine. This is already good.
Low budget.
Low budget. This is what calls it? Low budget buffalo wings meal. Yeah. It look good, you know. Yeah. More sticky siya. Okay. And then guys, we fry fish for the kids because they cannot eat this one. It is because it's too spicy. Give that to your tita.
No.
What now?
Egg.
Ayun yung ganahan. Ganto diwa.
Borrow, please. Borrow, kuya. Oh, what's your problem? Oh, yeah, hero. Ay, ikaw, ha? Ikaw, ha?
Kapit ha?
Gamay na po.
Sila na ako. Makita lang. Oo, hinuwi yung didi.
Mau din mo sa panjo ko. Taliw ka. May kabalo ka kalmanan kay kuya kay ano. Gilabay na ko ang gatas na nakay ulo nangira si Jana. Iguadakit kadahon ko. Not good.
Wow, wala siyang kaon with this egg. Cute kayo. Balik sa biro. Kuan. Dapo kayo.
Kung ano rin kabalo ka, hinatag na ni katong na hospital sa dulong sa una.
Ah, you want to drink water?
Kami jokoan gid siya dai. Makanan na ito. Dai gulo ko ano kanina.
6 hours later.
Ano?
Bawal na lang. Bawal na lang ko. Or nawa ka. That's it.
Inana day mo hantik.
Oo. Okay. How's na
You have to prepare an oil. Oil. Di pa ba ka? Brown sugar.
Brown. You know how to make like that, right? Okay. I-mix din na. Wow, you're very smart too, John.
Hindi sa kung kita nila kapunan dahil.
Kaya nga ako magudsahay mapagod.
Depende.
Quick.
Naamagod niya. Sige lang kanina. Ay, bantay. Ako lang ito ang dahil. Mulagkit ng guni dahil.
Wow, that's very good. Eh? Catching.
Mulagkit man siya dahil.
Hello guys, so let's taste the banana Q that she made. It's look pretty, look at that. It's hot.
Lagay ipakit mo kay itong naman kay ang kuan.
I don't know. Will you take that? Init eh. Use the ano oil. Lip. It tastes good. Tasty guys. Hello guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next video.